Okay, number 3, the same old one we keep having trouble with. All right, first, you're going to do a quotient rule. Next, figure out if it's going to be difficult to do the derivative of the top or the bottom. Doing the derivative of the bottom is a little bit of work, so I'm going to do that separately. So the derivative of the bottom, remember, of course, the square root is the same as 1/2 power. So I'm going to treat this like a 1/2 power. And the derivative of that is a power rule chain rule. 1/2, leave the inside the same. Subtract 1, you get negative 1/2, times the derivative of the inside. Neaten it up. There's a 3 on top, a 2 on the bottom, and a square root of 3x plus 5. Okay. Now go do your quotient rule. The derivative will be low, square root of 3x plus 5. D high, 2. Squeak it out there. Minus high, 2x. D low was all of this. Well, when I multiply the 2x times this 3, that's going to become a 6x on the top. You can put the 3 here, but it's going to become a 6x. I'll just write it all out. Okay, so the 2x was already there. And then everything else is what I have over here. And now I see that probably I didn't do this the easiest way. You could have canceled these 2's right now if you thought of it. So if I neaten that up, what I have right now, draw the line and square below. If we square the denominator, we get 3x plus 5. Okay, but I'm going to rewrite this part a little bit neater. It's basically just going to have a 3x on the top and the square root on the bottom. So what do I have right now? I have 2 square root of 3x plus 5 minus 3x over the square root of 3x plus 5 all over 3x plus 5. Okay, you might want to restart the video and look at how we got to that point. So up to this point, that was the difficult part. So as long as you understand from here, now all you have to do is clean it up, and I think you're getting used to that. To clean this up, you just have to get rid of the fraction within a fraction. So I'm going to multiply by the problem, the square root of 3x plus 5. I need that to go away, so I'll have to do that everywhere. Square root of 3x plus 5 and a square root of 3x plus 5. Okay, now simplify that. I'm going to write it way up here. So in the first term, I have a 2, and then the square root of 3x plus 5 times another 1. You basically square to square root, and you get just what's underneath, 3x plus 5. In the next chunk, the square roots cancel because one's on top, one's on bottom, and I just get a negative 3x. On the bottom, I have a 3x plus 5 to the first and a 3x plus 5 to the 1/2. So that's a 3x plus 5 to the, add them up, 1 plus a half, which is 3/2. Okay, again, that's the same as doing x cubed times x squared. You add the exponents, but this is a case of x to the first times x to the 1/2, and that's x to the 3/2. Now all I have left to do is distribute and combine like terms. So distribute, you get 6x plus 10 minus 3x. Denominator stays the same. And combine like terms. 3x plus 10 over 3x plus 5 to the 3/2 power. Okay, hope that helped. Moving on to the next one.